Well, howdy folks. Ever had one of those days where you just need a hearty meal that sticks to your ribs? Something that tastes like a campfire cookout, even if you're just in your kitchen? Today we're wrangling up a classic, Cowboy stew. It's simple, it's satisfying, and it'll make your taste buds sing a happy trail song. This recipe is a real crowd pleaser. Now, you don't need a chuck wagon for this. Grab about a pound of ground beef. We're also going to need a can of diced tomatoes, some kidney beans, and a can of corn. Don't forget a good onion, a couple of potatoes, and some beef broth. A little chili powder and cumin will give it that authentic kick. It's all about those simple, honest ingredients. First off, brown that ground beef in a big pot. Drain off any extra grease, because we're not making a grease stew. Then toss in your chopped onion and let it soften up a bit. Next, add your diced potatoes, tomatoes, beans, corn, and that beef broth. Stir in your spices. Bring it to a simmer, then let it bubble gently until those potatoes are tender. That's it. This stew is pure comfort in a bowl. It's perfect for a chilly evening, a family dinner, or just when you're hankering for something truly delicious. It's so easy, even a greenhorn cook can master it. So, go on, give this cowboy stew a try. Your family will thank you and your belly will be mighty pleased. Happy cooking, everyone!